Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It's good to have you all back here with your at your daily GTO update, or Jito, let's call it like that. Analyzing it again, we got the drop we talked about yesterday. I think the price was still up here. Like we had that breakout here. But what I said to get into the 15-minute time frame is that yesterday it very much looked like we were setting up some sort of a consolidation here. Between 3.35 and then $3, and that we were waiting for a breakout. And I think I said a bearish breakout was most likely, but at least at the very least I said wait for that breakout, which if you would have done that, you would have expected this move, because what I said is that if Jito drops down below $3 and it holds that level as resistance, which it did, then it's most likely it will drop down lower towards 2.7 and 2.6, and that's where we are right now. So again, I wanted to give you my thoughts on it today. What I expect, will we actually rally down lower? The next support level would be around 2.25, as you can see historically as well right here. So yeah, basically everything you need to know. So buckle up and let's get right into it. Now, this bearish momentum, I mean, there's multiple reasons for that. I mean, GTO obviously has done an airdrop, which sometimes causes quite a bit more bearish pressure. There's nothing wrong with that. But that is something that happens occasionally. And then apart from that, I mean, the market circumstances are just not great. Bitcoin is exerting quite a lot of bearish pressure here. Solana has fallen down quite a bit in the last 24 hours. And guess what Jito is quite correlated to? Bitcoin and Solana. And Jito on its own, I mean, new cryptos just tend to be quite volatile. And I really do still think Jito will rally at some point of time. But the market circumstances need to be better. There needs to be more hype. There needs to be more inflow of capital, and just, mostly more hype. Because if you look at Jito right now, it's not looking bad, but the open interest is not increasing and the volume is dropping down. So if the volume is dropping down and the open interest is staying the same or decreasing a little bit, which is what we're seeing, then the decreased volume will just lead to more and more open interest falling down, more and more people closing their positions, which will cause the open interest over time to drop down lower. So it's not looking great for Jito. It really isn't. At this moment, I have to conclude, the trend is 100% bearish, and you can see that on the 1 hour time frame as well. Sure, we were trying to get some sort of a consolidation up on yesterday morning, but that didn't work. And now the EMAs are providing resistance again. We're making lower highs, we're making lower lows, and I see no reason. I mean, I can definitely see, excuse me, almost have to sneeze, but I can definitely see that Jito will get some bullish momentum here, and that it retests 2.8 and 2.9. But the only way in which I would see Jito breaking above that levels, if I could see some momentum from Jito again. And the only way I could see momentum is if the market becomes stronger here. And I don't see the market becoming stronger here as the most likely scenario. I think it's more likely the market will actually fall down a bit more. And with the market then, I mean Bitcoin and Solana. So yeah, we're at a strong support. I expect that support to hold initially. But if the market circumstances do not become better, it will just be a matter of time before Jito breaks down below 2.6 and 2.5 and starts dropping down towards 2.25 and 2.2. In general, I would say, as my closing remarks, stay away. Stay away from Jito right now. Don't trade it. Wait for confirmation. If you want to go long, wait for a bullish breakout and the downtrend to have ended. If you want to go short, wait for a bearish breakout as well. All right? Or for the price to hit a significant resistance. But those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, then of course let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my own premium group and signal group down there as well. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.